whatever you want.
So,
Why you call me sir anyway? You said we'll choose a name for you, and now you chose such a boring name, sir. Call me something fun. Bro is cool. Okay, call me bro.
we are Gen Zs. I give you two words. You need to tell me the meaning
Now
of
I'm in
the
trouble.
Gen Z flag. Like,
Now I'm in trouble.
yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
I launched under 18 UPSC.
Across the country. Lights, camera, action.
Done? Oh, okay. I thought I had already said it. I launched under 18 UPSC across the country. What's this?
What should we call you?
Where are we? You can call me wherever you want.
Wow. I'm starting a brief intro about the underrated. So, you guys have the underrated. We have the underrated. For us, underrated. They're all underrated. In this, you have politicians, you are the leader of opposition. Those are our leader of oppositions. I am the cabinet minister. You have IS officers, that is our division head for the service commissioners. We have a corporate members who help us out with stuff. Like you guys have the corporate. Start with the first segment. It's UAE MP elections. We are going to have general elections soon. So we just want to learn more about elections. All the
This question is like about, tackling popular opinions. For example, let's take me. When they're newly contesting against me, it would be a bit hard to me. So as underdogs, what strategies would you recommend so that people, could tackle these popular opinions and then get the advantage?
I can only talk with my experience. So I was told from when I joined politics, honesty is a liability. That's what I was told. Right? That politics is a dirty game. Don't try and be honest. It won't get you anything. It's worthless, etc., etc. It's constant. And you ask any politician, 90% of them will say, "I don't know, forget all this." Because this is real politics. This is a hard game. It's a difficult game. And honesty is a young to clean away. And I always tested that out. But what I found is that for a long time, when you're honest in politics, most people don't believe it. This can't be correct. So there's this period, right, where credibility doesn't do. You think, oh, it doesn't do. And many people will stop here. They'll just say, yaar, isse kuch ho nahi raha. But if you carry on, I found that suddenly it becomes the most powerful. That's my experience. So I don't think you should see it as, okay, what do I have to do to defeat this person in election? You might defeat the person in election, and then you might find that you end up here.
we don't know. So BJP is always talking about Hindu.
Why you call me sir anyway? You said we'll choose a name for you, and now you
Name?
chose such a boring name, sir.
No, I call you.
Call me something fun. What do you want to call me? Oh, bro is cool. Okay, call me bro.
Okay, bro. So BJP हमेशा हिंदुत्व की बात करेगी, कांग्रेस हमेशा SCs और reservations की बात करेगी. हमारे भी इलेक्शंस आने वाले हैं. मैं भी स्ट्रॉन्ग वोट बैंक चाहिए फॉलो करेंगे. हम क्या देखें? हम भी आप लोग की तरह सेक्टराइज करें people को?
नहीं, कांग्रेस, you have to understand, कांग्रेस SC/ST रिजर्वेशन की बात नहीं. कांग्रेस कह रही है कि जो हिंदुस्तान का धन है वो फेयरली बांटा, राइट? कि अगर आप दलित हो, आप OBC हो, आप मुसलमान हो, EBC हो, आप आदिवासी हो, आप सबको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले. ये ना हो कि 1-2% को सारा का सारा धन मिल रहा है और बाकी लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं. If I say to you that I am going to protect Adivasi, then those people are going to vote for me. So it's not a question of that you have a vote bank. It's a question that you act in the interest of someone. So the concept of vote bank is something that is nice to say in the media. The reason that exists is because of your policy.
There are elections coming up in Bihar. This is about that.
Vegas.
Recently, sir, I saw a video. It was a very good video of 2012, and we were in touch with the top 5 business tycoons at that time. You have brought this to discussion.
today? Because if I take 5 business people to Bihar, the government will destroy the business. Right? So if they'd be very nervous coming with me to Bihar because the government would be like, ठीक है भैया, राहुल गांधी के साथ बिहार गए, अभी दिखाते हैं तुम्हें. And I also would be a bit uncomfortable in hurting their interest.
Can you give me 3 reasons, sir, why Bihar citizens should vote for you? 1 for first-time voters and 2 for middle-class people of Bihar city.
20 साल से वहाँ पे नीतीश जी की सरकार है, बिहार को उन्होंने खत्म कर दिया. दूसरी बात, वहाँ का जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, चाहे वो प्राइमरी एजुकेशन हो, सेकेंडरी हो, यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज एजुकेशन, वो ना के बराबर खत्म हो गया. और वहाँ पे एक के बाद एक पेपर. तो युवा वहाँ पे एग्जाम की तैयारी करते हैं और फिर जो स्टेट में कंट्रोल करते हैं वो पेपर नहीं करते, अपने लोगों को पेपर देते हैं. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में RSS के वाइस चांसलर बैठा करते हैं. जो एजुकेशन का बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर, कल मेरी बात हो रही थी बिहार की, उसको खत्म कर दिया. प्रोफेसर हैं जिनको मतलब अगर वो फिजिक्स पढ़ा रहे हैं, बायोलॉजी पढ़ा रहे हैं, उसको बायोलॉजी नहीं माना. तो उन्होंने एजुकेशन सिस्टम को ख़त्म कर दिया है. हेल्थ केयर का सिस्टम जो है वो भी खत्म हो गया, वो पूरा का पूरा प्राइवेटाइज कर दिया. तो वहाँ पे मतलब अगर आप दिल्ली में हो तो शाम को आप जाइए एम्स के फ्लाईओवर के नीचे देखिए, आपको वहाँ बिहार के लोग मिल जाएंगे क्योंकि बिहार में इलाज भी है. तो ये था.
Dude, now I'm the national party president of Future Party.
What
So
is
we have
Future Party?
3 parties:
Okay.
Green Party, People's Party, and Future Party. Ruling party, and the future as the opposition. So I'm the national party president of my party. I want to become the prime minister of the under 18 world. So how do I, choose? How do I, gain trust of my fellow MLAs and MPs? Because in a party,
Does your brother trust you?
I don't have a brother,
Your
but
sister,
yeah,
does
my
she
sister,
trust you?
yes, she
Trust you
does.
fully?
Yes,
How do you gain her trust?
it's inbuilt, I guess, because we are.
No, suppose you cheat your sister every 2 days.
Oh, I don't do that.
You don't do that, right?
I don't do that.
So how do you develop trust? By being consistent,
By giving consent.
by working in her interest. So that's how you gain trust of MPs. That's how you gain trust of anybody.
Okay, so you don't know.
So you treat them like your sister. If you treat them like an enemy, they won't trust you.
They won't trust me. Okay.
It's now a game.
Sir, yes, a game. So a small game. Now we are Gen Z. So I'll give you a few words, sir. You need to tell me the meaning of
Now
that
I'm
Gen Z
in
slang.
Now I'm in trouble.
Yes. I'll give you.
You can guess if you don't know.
You can guess if you don't know.
Now I'm in serious trouble.
Yeah.
But the words don't mean
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. First word is cap.
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 Like, you're capping.
You're
No
capping.
cap.
You're capping.
Cap.
Like, you're capping right now.
what the ruling party might be saying is capping.
Oh, not at all.
So not being straight.
Like,
Yeah, not being straight.
Yeah. Riz.
What?
Riz.
R-I-Z.
Riz.
Okay, I need to learn this language. Okay, Riz. Energy.
This is short for charisma.
Charisma.
Energy.
Charisma. Yeah.
Works.
Tell me what Pookie is. Pookie.
Okay, I have cookie. Huh? Close. She told me somebody else you're really close. Close one. Q.
But look at the key.
So not bad, huh?
Yeah.
I did
Not
better than I
bad. Yeah.
expected.
Not bad.
I did better than expected.
How you're sure of him?
How?
I don't know, I just guessed. I think all of you guys should join politics. I think you guys need to change things because generations above you have been slow and we need you guys to get it back. Anything else? Nice talking to you.
So guys, this is the official U18 Rahul line which will be launched. Please buy immediately.
My friend here is actually a classical dancer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So sign off all of the gurus.
Where? Here? Oh yeah. Okay? You know, my mother, when I was small, with my sister, she sent me to Bharatanatyam class. One day.
Do we have photos?
One day I was out of it. In one day I was like, I'm done, thank you very much.